Have you ever wondered how to keep your penis healthy as you age? Do you want to improve your sexual health and protect your reproductive system for the long run? If the answer is yes, you're in the right place. Well, I'm Dr. Nerea Wolf, urologist and pelvic surgeon, and if you've ever had questions or concerns about your urological health, stay with us. We're here to help you understand your body with clarity and comfort. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 fundamental tips every man should follow to maintain penile health and preserve healthy sexual function throughout the years. These aren't just about improving your intimate life. They're also key to preventing many health problems you might face as you get older. If you're at an advanced stage in life, the advice we're covering today could be crucial in improving your intimate wellness and protecting your reproductive health. So are you ready to take a journey toward a healthier, more comfortable life? Let's dive in together and explore these tips that can make a real difference in your well-being. Tip number 1, keep your penis active. Regular activity of your reproductive system is one of the fundamental factors in ensuring its long-term health. Just as your brain, muscles, and other organs need exercise to maintain their function, your penis also needs consistent stimulation. Staying in a state of inactivity or reduced activity can lead to deterioration of the organ's function over time. It's helpful to keep in mind that sexual activity isn't the only factor in this equation. Even in the absence of sexual activity, you can substitute it with other methods, such as pelvic floor exercises or using a vacuum erection device to stimulate blood circulation in the penis. Why is activity important? Simply put, the penis depends on healthy blood circulation to perform its function. By promoting blood flow to the genital area, tissues are better nourished, which helps prevent problems like erectile dysfunction. While some men may notice a decline in sexual activity as they age, maintaining penile activity through the right methods can help delay these changes. How can your body be affected if you neglect this tip? Prolonged penile inactivity can lead to weakened blood circulation in the small blood vessels inside the penis, contributing to reduced erectile efficiency. This kind of neglect may also increase the risk of disorders such as sexual impotence or tissue atrophy. So if you want to maintain an active and healthy sex life, you need to keep stimulating your penis in multiple ways that ensure blood flow. Tip number 2, maintain penis hygiene. Personal hygiene is one of the basics that should never be overlooked. It may seem obvious to some, but as you age, certain habits change, and maintaining hygiene can become difficult or neglected. But the truth is, failing to care for penile hygiene can lead to many health problems, such as urinary tract infections or even penile cancer. Maintaining cleanliness in this area helps prevent the buildup of bacteria and fungi that can harm sexual health. What are the right ways to maintain hygiene? It's recommended to use a mild soap or body-specific soap, like glycerin soap or neutral soap, to avoid irritating the sensitive skin in this area. After washing the penis, make sure to dry it thoroughly, especially around the glands and skin folds. It's best to eliminate any moisture that could cause bacterial or fungal growth. Also remember the importance of washing the penis after every sexual encounter, as vaginal secretions can affect the acidic balance in the area, increasing the risk of infections. What happens if you neglect this habit? Neglecting penile hygiene can lead to the buildup of secretions and sweat in the area, which may promote the multiplication of bacteria and fungi. These conditions can cause painful infections or even lead to serious health issues such as testicular inflammation or prostate infections. Maintaining personal hygiene isn't just about showering, it requires you to be careful about caring for the genital area regularly to ensure no buildup occurs that could negatively affect your health. Tip number 3, avoid sex during partial erection. Many people may not realize the impact of having sex during a partial erection, but this habit can lead to long-term health problems. When the penis is in a semi-erect state, it's more susceptible to micro-injuries that can accumulate over time. These small injuries may cause tissue clumping, or the appearance of nodules on the penis surface, which can lead to penile curvature, a condition known as Peyronie's disease, which can be bothersome and affect sexual performance. How does partial erection affect the penis? When the penis is in a partially erect state, meaning it's not in full erection, it becomes prone to injury due to imbalance in tissue pressure. If this type of stress on the penis is repeated, it can cause damage to the soft tissues that need constant renewal for healthy erection. Continuous stress on tissues can also lead to collagen accumulation in injured areas, causing deformities in the overall shape of the penis, such as curvature. What's the solution? If you're having difficulty maintaining a full erection during sexual intercourse, you can consult a specialist doctor to help you use appropriate techniques or treatment that maintains a healthy erection. It's important to control positions that might expose you to such injuries and avoid having sex under circumstances that could lead to excessive pressure on tissues. Tip number 4, limit pornography consumption. Excessive pornography viewing may seem harmless at first, but its negative impact on sexual health has become clear. Studies have shown that excessive exposure to pornography can cause a decline in sexual sensitivity, as the brain over-reinforces visual stimuli, making you dependent on a specific stimulus that isn't present in real relationships. Over time, you may find it difficult to enjoy actual sexual intercourse, which affects your sex life overall. How does this affect your sex life? Normal sexual relationships depend on human connection and feeling intimacy with your partner. When the brain becomes accustomed to constant visual stimuli through pornography, its response to natural sensations during intercourse declines. A man may become more sensitive to visual stimulation and feel difficulty getting an erection in reality, which weakens the ability to enjoy the relationship with a partner. What's the solution? Limiting pornography viewing may be difficult for some, but it's necessary to maintain a healthy sex life. Try to focus your energy on enhancing intimacy with your partner and avoid excessive visual stimuli. You can also practice some exercises that help improve natural sexual performance without the need for unnatural stimulation. Tip number 5, improve overall health habits. Healthy habits aren't limited to just exercising or eating healthy food. They also include caring for your mind and body. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle has a profound impact on your sexual health. From proper nutrition to getting enough sleep to reducing stress and anxiety, all of these factors play a major role in your overall sexual health. How does your diet affect your sex life? Some foods, like leafy vegetables and fruits rich in vitamins and minerals, help promote circulatory health and improve erections. Maintaining a healthy weight also protects you from chronic diseases that can negatively affect your sexual health. On another note, consuming adequate amounts of water helps hydrate the body and increases overall energy levels. Why should you avoid smoking and alcohol? Smoking and alcohol are among the biggest factors contributing to erectile dysfunction and other disorders related to the reproductive system. Smoking reduces blood flow to the reproductive organs, while alcohol can reduce sexual performance ability. So it's essential to avoid these habits and work on adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes good nutrition and regular exercise. Bonus tip, sleep without underwear or with loose underwear. Importance of ventilation and comfort. One of the important health tips that many often overlook is sleeping without underwear or wearing loose underwear. The goal of this tip is to improve ventilation in the genital area, as tight underwear may trap heat and moisture around the penis, increasing the risk of skin irritation or infections. When you sleep without underwear, air flows freely to the area, helping maintain a moderate temperature and improving overall comfort, thus preventing health problems that may result from trapped heat and moisture. Disease prevention and tissue comfort. Sleeping without underwear or with loose clothing reduces constant pressure on soft tissues in the genital area. Tight clothing can lead to pressure buildup on the penis, affecting blood circulation and weakening blood flow to sensitive tissues. This condition may contribute to health problems like Peyronie's disease, which causes penile curvature due to fibrous tissue buildup. By sleeping without underwear, you can reduce this pressure and ensure greater comfort during sleep, contributing to your penis health in the long term. In addition to health benefits, sleeping without underwear or with loose clothing can have a positive impact on your sex life. When the genital area is better ventilated and under less pressure, sexual performance improves due to enhanced blood flow to the reproductive organs. This also contributes to enhancing overall personal comfort, which may help reduce stress or anxiety related to sexual health. This is why many doctors recommend changing this simple habit to improve overall sexual health, especially as you age. My friends, now that we've reviewed together 5 essential tips for better sexual health and reproductive wellness, I hope you found this information helpful. As we age, caring for our sexual health becomes more important than ever. These tips can help you maintain your physical and mental health and comfort. Do you feel these tips could contribute to improving your sex life? Are you ready to start applying these simple and effective changes? Remember, taking care of your sexual health isn't just about the physical aspect. It also affects your overall quality of life. Every small step you take now can make a big difference in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to like it and share it with friends who might benefit. I also invite you to leave your questions and experiences in the comments. We're always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all our new content. Caring for your health is something worth starting today. Until next time, take care of yourself, because you're worth it.